Sellers, if you're looking to list your home and know that spring is typically the best time of year to do so, don't let overpricing your home cost you. Hi, we're John and Claire Hickey of Engel and Voelkers Real Estate. The housing market is heating up and there is more inventory on the market to choose from.
As a seller, now is a great time to list your home, as historically this is the best time of year. This is the time when buyers move and competition heats up. So we are still seeing a seller's market even with the bump in inventory as the demand for housing remains high. While these are great conditions for sellers, you still want to be strategic when it comes time to set your list price. Pricing your house too high can cost you in the long run, and here's why. The asking price of your home sends a message to buyers.
According to the U.S. News and Real Estate, even in a hot market where there are more buyers than houses available for sale, buyers aren't going to pay attention to a home with an inflated asking price. Most buyers have done their homework and will not want to pay more than they have to. Many buyers are already feeling a pinch of affordability due to price appreciation and higher mortgage prices. If you overprice your home, it's going to take you longer to sell, and this may cause you to have to do a price drop to reignite interest in your home, causing longer days on market and the chance that your property might go stale. Instead, pricing your home at or just below current market value from the start is a much better strategy.
This is why it is so important to work with an experienced real estate professional who will research your local market area to determine the best listing price. They will look at comparables, days on the market, historical buying patterns, cost per square foot, and factor in the condition of your home. All this information will help you find a sweet spot for your target price, so you as a seller will get a great price optimized for your timeline.
Please reach out to us so that we can help assist and guide you through this big life decision and get you the best return on your investment. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more content like this. We're John and Claire Hickey of Engel and Voelkers, and we love guiding you home.
We'll see you on the next video.